3 words: Korean barbecue tacos. The first step to making these tacos is to prepare the marinade for the beef. To a blender, add 1 Asian pear, peeled and roughly chopped. Also add 2 to 3 chopped green onions, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend until smooth. Add the marinade to 1 pound of thinly sliced beef. We're using a shaved beef that I get from my local grocery store. You can also use a pound of ribeye. Slice the ribeye while it's cold so that you can get really nice thin slices. Let the beef marinate for 4 to 8 hours in the refrigerator. Now we're going to make a spicy, creamy gochujang sauce to go on top of our tacos. Start with 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Add 1 tablespoon of reduced fat mayo and 1 tablespoon of plain fat-free Greek yogurt. Whisk until smooth. Refrigerate until ready to serve. The final topping for our tacos is a simple, crunchy, delicious sesame lime slaw. First, to prepare the dressing, whisk 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of cabbage, 1 cup of julienne carrots, 1 thinly sliced red pepper, and 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onion. Pour the dressing onto the slaw and toss to coat. After the meat is marinated, allow it to come to room temperature and then cook in a 10 to 12 inch skillet over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut oil and cook in batches in order to avoid overcrowding the pan. This thinly sliced Korean barbecue is so delicious and tender, it cooks in just a few minutes. To build the tacos, we're placing a tablespoon of microwavable sticky rice in a tortilla, followed by that beautiful Korean barbecue beef. Add a little of that creamy, spicy gochujang sauce and top with some of that sesame lime slaw. Delicious. I gotta taste it. Guys, you have to try this. It's so good. The Korean barbecue is awesome. Doing it in taco form is so much fun. I love the rice. The gochujang sauce is awesome, spicy, creamy. And then you get that citrusy slaw that we made. You've got to try this. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment and please subscribe because we'd love to see you in the next video. Flies everywhere. And I would love for you to subscribe so we can see you next time in the next video here on the Idea Plate. Next time, next video. Wait. Here on the Idea Plate. Fly.
Got a little tree frog action on that one.
You want a taco? I'm serious. There was a fly on the taco while I said that. All right, one more. Stop, don't. I'm finished my taco, I'm not doing anything. Flies! I'm done. Come on, make you some tacos.